Imagine a planet that rolls on its side as it orbits the sun. On Uranus, a single summer or winter can last over 20 Earth years. One pole faces the sun for decades, while the other endures a frigid night. Uranus is an ice giant with a 98-degree tilt, practically lying on its side. Its name comes from the Greek god of the sky, connecting myth and science. Uranus's extreme tilt and unique story make it one of the most fascinating worlds in our solar system. Welcome to the Sideways Planet. For millennia, Saturn marked the edge of our known solar system. That changed on March 13, 1781, when William Herschel, a musician-turned-astronomer, spotted a faint moving disk in the constellation Gemini. Herschel wasn't searching for planets, he was charting stars with a homemade telescope. What he found was no star or comet, but a new planet, Uranus. The discovery electrified the scientific community. Mathematicians quickly realized its orbit lay far beyond Saturn. For the first time, a planet had been discovered with a telescope, doubling the known size of our solar system overnight. Herschel's find shattered the belief that our cosmic backyard ended with Saturn. The universe suddenly felt much larger and more mysterious. This moment marked a turning point. Technology could now reveal hidden worlds. Uranus's discovery opened the door to Neptune, Pluto, and countless other wonders. It's a testament to curiosity and the power of looking just a little farther. The universe, it turns out, is always bigger than we imagine, and the next great discovery might be waiting just beyond what we can see. Uranus is an ice giant, not a solid ball of ice, but a world with a hot, dense mix of water, methane, and ammonia deep inside. Its diameter is 4 times Earth's. You could fit 63 Earths inside it by volume. Yet, despite its size, Uranus is the least massive of the giant planets, just 14.5 times Earth's mass. Its low density sets it apart from both rocky planets and gas giants. Here's the twist. Even though Uranus is huge, gravity at its cloud tops is only about 89% of Earth's. That's because gravity depends on both mass and how far you are from the center. On Uranus, you're so far from the core that the pull is surprisingly gentle. You'd actually weigh less standing on a platform in its upper atmosphere than you do on Earth. This gravitational puzzle shows how alien these worlds can be. Uranus's size, mass, and density challenge our Earth-based intuition. Studying these differences helps us understand how planets form and evolve. Uranus is a giant with a gentle touch, a reminder that the universe is full of surprises. Its unique properties expand our understanding of planetary science. The more we learn, the stranger and more wonderful these distant worlds become. Uranus is a crucial piece of the cosmic puzzle. Uranus's 98-degree tilt is its most striking feature. For decades at a time, one pole faces the sun in constant daylight, while the other is plunged into darkness. These aren't seasons as we know them. They're extreme states lasting 21 Earth years. The planet's magnetic field is just as odd, tilted by 60 degrees and offset from the center. It wobbles wildly as Uranus spins. How did Uranus end up this way? The leading theory, a colossal collision billions of years ago. An Earth-sized object likely slammed into Uranus, tipping it over and possibly boiling off parts of its early atmosphere. This ancient impact could explain both the planet's tilt and its lopsided magnetic field. Uranus's orientation is a scar from the solar system's violent youth, a fossil record of cosmic chaos. By studying Uranus, we glimpse the turbulent history of planetary formation. The Sideways Planet isn't just an oddity, it's a witness to the drama that shaped our solar system. Its tilt and magnetic field are clues to ancient cataclysms. Uranus reminds us that the solar system was once a place of chaos and collisions. Every planet has a story, and Uranus's is written in its very axis. The Sideways world is a key to understanding our cosmic origins. Uranus's pale blue-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue and green. Its atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, with a dash of methane giving it that serene hue. But beneath the calm exterior lies the coldest planet in the solar system, colder even than Neptune. Temperatures in Uranus's upper atmosphere plunge to -224 degrees Celsius. Unlike Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus barely radiates any internal heat. Scientists aren't sure why. Maybe the ancient collision vented its heat, or maybe layers in its atmosphere trap it deep inside. This lack of internal heat means Uranus has less energy to drive storms, making it seem placid. But calm is relative powerful storms, and winds up to 900 kilometers per hour still whip through its clouds. Subtle bands and massive storms have been spotted with powerful telescopes. Uranus's weather is driven mostly by the faint sunlight it receives. Its cold, mysterious atmosphere is a puzzle for scientists. The planet's hidden dynamism shows that even the quietest worlds can surprise us. Uranus is a world of ice, wind, and secrets. Its atmosphere is a frontier of discovery. Uranus is surrounded by a delicate system of dark, narrow rings, so faint they weren't discovered until 1977. These rings are made of dark, rocky material, likely remnants of a shattered moon. 13 known rings encircle the planet, with the brightest, the Epsilon ring, kept in place by tiny shepherd moons. Beyond the rings, Uranus boasts at least 27 moons, named not after Roman gods, but after characters from Shakespeare and Pope. The 5 largest, Titania, Oberon, Ariel, Umbriel, and Miranda, are icy worlds, some possibly hiding oceans beneath their frozen crusts. Each moon is a unique world, with Miranda standing out for its bizarre patchwork surface of canyons and cliffs. Miranda looks as if it was shattered and reassembled, a geological puzzle hinting at a violent past. The Uranian system is a miniature solar system, full of mysteries. Its rings and moons are shaped by gravity, collisions, and time. Studying them could reveal secrets about the early solar system. Uranus's moons may even harbor the ingredients for life. The planet's rings and moons are a symphony of cosmic history. Each one tells a story waiting to be explored. Our only close-up look at Uranus came in 1986, when Voyager 2 flew past the planet. In just a few hours, Voyager 2 transformed Uranus from a fuzzy dot into a real complex world. The spacecraft discovered new moons and rings, mapped the planet's magnetic field, and revealed the jumbled surface of Miranda. Voyager 2's brief visit answered some questions but left us with many more. Since then, we've relied on distant telescopes to study Uranus, but there's only so much we can learn from afar. Scientists now dream of a dedicated Uranus orbiter and atmospheric probe. Such a mission would spend years studying the planet and its moons up close. It could reveal the secrets of Uranus's heat, magnetic field, and the history of its giant collision. Plans are underway, but a mission would take decades to launch and reach Uranus. The scientific payoff would be immense, finally answering questions left by Voyager 2. Uranus is a top priority for future exploration. The next mission could change everything we know about this sideways world. The story of Uranus is just beginning. Uranus and Neptune helped shape the solar system's architecture. Early on, these ice giants likely formed closer to the sun, then migrated outward, flinging icy bodies and sculpting the Kuiper belt. Uranus's gravity helped clear the outer solar system, influencing the distribution of distant worlds. Studying Uranus reveals the chaotic processes that shaped our planetary neighborhood. While Uranus itself is inhospitable, its moons may hold promise. Some, like Titania and Oberon, could have subsurface oceans beneath their icy crusts. These hidden oceans might contain the ingredients for life, water, organics, and energy. Future missions could search for signs of life by probing these moons. The Uranian system is a new frontier in the search for life beyond Earth. Exploring its moons could answer profound questions about habitability. Uranus is more than a planet, it's a gateway to understanding our origins and the potential for life elsewhere. The search continues, driven by curiosity and hope. Uranus is a planet of extremes, a short day, decades-long seasons, and pressure so high that diamonds may rain deep inside. It's the third largest planet by diameter, but only the fourth by mass, highlighting its low density. Even its name sparks debate, with 2 common pronunciations and a reputation for schoolyard jokes. But beyond the fun facts, Uranus remains one of the most mysterious worlds in our solar system. Its sideways tilt, frigid interior, and dark rings challenge our understanding of planetary science. Voyager 2's flyby gave us a glimpse but left us hungry for more. Uranus is a scientific treasure trove, holding clues to the violent history of our solar system. The story of Uranus is far from over. It beckons us to return and explore. This tilted, blue-green giant reminds us that the universe is full of wonders. There's always another mystery to unravel just beyond the horizon. As we look to the future, Uranus stands as a symbol of curiosity and discovery. What name would you give this strange, sideways world? The adventure continues. What will we find next?